Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in an iPhone. First, download iMovie. If you don't already have it, download iMovie from the Apple Store. The app is free for Apple. Open iMovie and tap Create Project. Tap the video clip in the timeline, then tap Speed icon that looks like a speedometer. Drag the slider to the right to speed up the video up to 2x speed. Tap done in the top left corner. Tap the share button, then choose save video. Your speed up video will save to Photos app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.